The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Randy, Sue, good morning. Guys, very, very good morning. And we're limit down again. Wednesday, March 18th, fellas. We are, hey, Mark, good morning. Guys, we're limit down. I'm sure you know that. Casinos are now closed for 30 days. If you guys haven't seen that. Looking right now at gold. Small sellers in gold, 618 sellers. Overnight in the NASDAQ, there were 1,742. The ES 2100, well, that's MES. Looks like we have buyers in bonds. Yields are falling again. At least bonds are getting a bid. Yesterday they seemed to be selling. Yields were rising. They were bailing bonds. Now they're buying bonds again. It's been a pretty nice move really nice move since 6 o'clock this morning. In any event, CL needs rollover. No. Let's see. Crude. Yeah. Okay. Crude is rollover crude, fellas, to May. Thank you, Sal. We do have crude inventories today. We have a little bit of news, building permits, etc. at 8:30. I mean, it isn't going to change anything or give us anything. There goes gold. Good morning, Jacques. Guys, coming into the session, I'm up $102 right now. I took a couple of trades. Last evening. I took a long on the ES at 84. I took a one contract trade, 20 tick loss on that. And then I've taken two micro trades. Good morning, Chris. I shorted 3 MES last night on the 3-minute and got target. Okay. And then this morning I took a long on MGC, the micro gold, off the 3-minute chart. And 1500, I got one at 1500.5, two at 1500.6. That was first target, 1504.5. And then the final target was 1514.7. So I traded the bot this morning on the micros. This was the trade I took here. This is a live trade, guys. Gold currently has a bid. It's going to be, it looks like it's, we're probably going to get about 5 to 10 minutes at 9:30 on the indices, and we'll probably hit the next circuit breaker at 7% down. We have yet 3, Joe. I mean, 3. That's what I'm trading. I mean, guys, listen, we are in, good morning, Todd. We are in unparalleled times, right? Margin requirements are really high right now on the NASDAQ, the ES, and presumptively the YM. I don't trade the YM, so I don't know. You know, we certainly can trade crude. It's already in shorts. We do have inventory today. We can trade bonds, we can trade silver, we can trade currency. I think all of those are the normal margin requirements. Gold is also much higher on the margin requirement. So as I said yesterday, assuming we don't go, 20% down and close for the day, I will trade the 3-minute on the MES, MNQ, and or MGC live with 3 contracts on the bots. Okay? So for many of you guys, that may be a better option, merely because the margin requirements are pretty stiff. I think right now, if you wanted to trade 3 contracts in, say, the ES or the NQ, I think we're at $8,000 margin. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me. Same with gold. I don't know what gold is, but they're high. So the goal is, again, the goal is every day we come in, we try to make a little bit of money. Whatever that may be, it may be $100 or $1,000 or $1 million. Whatever we can do, we'll do. But it's going to be volatile again. Trade accordingly. Jeez. AMP yesterday said $9,000 per contract for the ES and NQ. Thank you. 2 of you guys said it, Todd and Ron. Any idea what gold is? I know gold is pretty stiff too. Bonds are bid. We should reach, we're 171.10. We should reach 171, give or take 25. Yeah, MES is 900. Thank you. And I'm assuming MNQ is about the same. I don't know what MGC is. In any event, guys, we're here. We'll see what we can come up with. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, and then we'll get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. It is, Pam, yes. Yep, MGC is micro gold. So today, I think there is a micro for crude. There's a mini crude. I think it's $5. I'm not sure if they trade step for step, but there is a mini crude. So today, any of my order flow trades on the ES or gold, I will trade the full contract. Any of the bot trades on the ES, NQ, gold, I will trade the micros. I saw that, Pam. I mean, I hope, so Pam is saying that the media is stating potential 20% unemployment. It may be more, but first off, let's look who's unemployed. Waiters, bartenders at the moment. But in my opinion, the media is creating this fear, which is frankly what they want. I'm not buying into it, guys. I've said this before. It's a damn virus. That's all it is. It's a virus. When 26 million people have died from it, I'll take it a little more serious. Seriously. I mean, it isn't the plague. They needed a reset button. They got it. Now they're going to drive the markets down. Let them do it. I mean, fellas, listen, not to sound like an opportunist, but anybody that's, I'm getting that $1,000 check. I don't think I'll get it, dude. It's going to be based on income. So if you make $12,000 a year, look for your check. If you make $200,000 a year, I would say you're probably not getting a check. But what I was going to say was, obviously, as traders, we're capitalists and opportunists. I mean, yesterday, if you guys were paying attention, Boeing hit $101. Boeing hit 101 and bounced. Kevin, I'm not dismissing what's happening anywhere. Boeing's at 104 now. I mean, Boeing could go to $90 today. Who knows? Think about being able to buy Microsoft or Boeing or some of these other stocks at, a 90%, 80% discount to where they were 3 months ago. And as far as Italy goes, Kevin, I know that you are in the medical field, as is my neighbor across the street, and there's going to be differing of opinion. You're cautioning relative to Italy, and my doctor friend across the street is saying that this is all a bunch of garbage. So even the medical profession has differing opinions. Good morning, Chris. It's utter garbage. Agreed, Dean. It's utter garbage. Again, when 26 million people have died, I'll pay more attention to it. How many deaths do we have? A couple thousand globally? It's ridiculous. That's my opinion. And again, you could ask 10 people and you'll probably get 10 different opinions. I'm not saying my opinion is right. I just think this mass hysteria is completely and utterly absurd. Bottom line is, it's all going to play out however it's going to play out, right? We can't control it. All we can do is control how we react to it. Again, I caution everybody, trade cautiously. Since the outbreak in the United States, there's 116,000 deaths. Oh no, that's 116. My bad. 116. Joke. It's a joke. $227,000 deaths on the highway. In fact, I said that to my wife yesterday. More people die on a daily basis in car accidents. Karen, I will be trading the micros on the MES, MNQ, and MGC. I've already run it. I've already taken 2 live trades. Not today. Last night. I took one last night on MES for first target. I should have left it on. And I've taken 1 live trade this morning on MGC. It trades the same way, Steven. There's no difference. Bots don't know if it's micros or full contract or whatever. Hang on, guys, 1 second. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm using the same default settings, Jim. I've not changed anything. All I've done is taken the ESGC charts and just gone to MES and MGC. I haven't changed anything on the bots. So again, it may be easier for some of you guys to trade, or at least a little more comfortable, given A, the margin requirements, and B, the volatility. This is a live trade on the bot, fellas, on the MES. MES. This is what's got to break right here, guys. It's got to come down through 87. If 87 breaks, it's coming to 76. So if anybody's in this and you want to take 60, 70 bucks, it's your prerogative. But if 87 breaks, it's coming down. See, it's holding 87. I can see it on another chart. It's got to break 87. If 87 snaps, it's coming down. If 87 snaps, we're coming down to 76. We should get that first target. Okay? So again, this is a live trade off the bot on the MES. Well, it broke it. Come on, rat bag. 86 quarter. Come on, press it down resoundingly. Announce your presence with authority. Somebody tell me what movie that's from. Come on, you rat dog. Come on, buddy. Get away from this damn support here at 87. Come on. Come on. Come on, little guy. You took 16 handles. Nice. Oh, come on. Don't be a chooch. You know you're coming to 76, 77. All right. I'm getting ready to take some off. Target filled. There we go. Break even +1. Now I'll leave it. Come on. I don't want to see this go back through 90. Come on down. There we go. No, it's holding that stupid support again. See where we stopped, guys? One standard deviation. If we break through this, it's going to be, we're heading to 5%. Ah, you dog. All right, I'll take it. This may break here. May still get targets, guys. Just holding this dang support at this 87 again. NASDAQ is fixing to roll over as well. Made money, fellas. If it, we got to 83. There it goes. There it goes. Double bottomed about 83. It's got to break one standard deviation. Now, again, for you guys that are newer with the bot, you can take this indicator that's on these black screen charts and put it on your bot so you can see the same thing I'm seeing. I'm just seeing it on the screen. I don't have it on the bots to keep the bots clean, but you guys can transpose that indicator, right? VWAP 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations to your bots. It made money. I mean, that's the bottom line. It made money. May still get to target. It's coming. It's trying. Meanwhile, I missed gold, which came down also on the MGC, almost to target. And the NASDAQ is rolling. If NASDAQ drops below 71.59, it's going to get smashed. It's got to go below 71.59 on the NASDAQ. That's the last area of support, guys. And this is going to come too eventually. DAX is working lower. What I'm most annoyed about is I missed the bond trade. We could trade right back up to 24.25. I gave you that second target down at 23.97 on crude. I haven't paid any attention to crude. It did short at 10.24 just before inventory. If the NASDAQ drops below 59, it's going to give you money. It will get smacked. That's the last area of support until it gets to 40, 41. I'm not saying it's going to, but if it does, or when it does, if you guys are still trading the NASDAQ, whether it's MNQ or NQ, it's NASDAQ's a short. NASDAQ's a short. So the bot is short. The bot is short, fellas. Now this is a sim trade. Because of the margin requirements, we're trading the micros. But this came down below that 59. I told you it would give you some money, and it will. Is anybody trading the full contract? Is anybody trading the full contract? Now, if it comes down below 42, it probably works down into the 20s. Below 42, it works into the 20s. So the next area is about, let's call it here. It's got to break 42. Anybody trading the full contract? I didn't think so. Yeah, margin requirements are just ridiculous. I would make my stop if, let's see here, maybe 71. 71, Xeon. Never mind. You can move that now. I mean, here's again another amazing bot trade. Just another amazing bot trade. 3 minutes are the best charts, especially in this market. John, I mean, I would go with this first target as identified by the bot. We've broken the next, we got a break here, which we did, 42. We've got to now get below 25. 25. 25. ES is sitting on support here at 76, so it hit my target. Yep, 3 minute MES just got first target and is coming to second. I mean, I would drop my stop. I would drop stop to maybe 45, 46. Gold's getting a bounce. Bonds not yet. Bonds broke that 28, 29 level. And if they don't get a bid up, nice job, Chad. Got your goal plus some. See you tomorrow. Take the money and run. Guys, if you're paying attention, if you're trading the bots correctly, if you're trading live, you're trading the correct time frames. If you're paying attention to the order flow trades, I don't know how anybody can't make money. I really don't. How do you not make money? So we broke 25. That's MES. What I'll do today, guys, is I will have the 3-minute bots on the MES, MGC, and MNQ, which I don't even have an MNQ set up. I will have them placed in the member area today. Yeah, it's the same chart. I just didn't build an MNQ. Oh, missed first target by a few ticks. Guys, this is a 2-contract trade. These 3-minute bots in Sim this week are up close to $26,000-$7,000. Just the 3-minute bots.
Target filled.
Target filled. Your new wife? $2,500 trade, fellas. 2 contracts. Now that's the big contract. I didn't have the MNQ. I'd have traded it. Yep. Marco said yesterday, not a single loser on the 3-minute. Yep. One of the things that obviously concerns some of you guys are the size of the stops. I'm talking, whether it's the micro or the full size. But what you should understand is, one, the bot is setting the stops and targets based on market volatility, right? The other thing is, it's never going to go to a full stop. Why? Because if it crosses up the other direction, it's going to stop in reverse. So you're not going to get hit generally with the full stop. Now, it can happen, but generally it will not. And we're going to come down to 23.49, fellas. 23.49. I think we're going to hit 5% again. Everybody make money today, guys? Well, you got first target already. If you sold that initial break I gave you at 58, you should have taken, some off at 13, Rich. Are you still in it? All right, so your next target down is 70, 70, 70, 71. 70, 71. That would be your next target down. You're at 71.04.5 area. I do, Rick. I do. Let me just see where we're at, guys. I don't want to go limit down and have anybody stuck in a trade. We're at, on the cash market, the Dow futures are down 6%, 6.25%. S&P is off 5.8%, and the NASDAQ's off just under 5%. But Dow futures are getting pretty close. Why would you do that, Rich? Not yet. I mean, I wouldn't. I can't tell you what to do, but I wouldn't. I mean, I would drop my stop if, I were in it, and I'm not. Maybe to 20, 21. I would drop my stop to 21. If I were in it, I'm not in it. It's got to break down below 7,100, and it should be fairly quick. Should be fairly quick. That stupid little spike did it. Now it's going to break down. It's holding 7,100, fellas. All right, guys, get ready on possible bounce long and then MES. I'm so annoyed with the bonds. I missed 2 just ginormous trades today with bonds. Man, we're not going to get a bounce. Yeah, I agree. Death by 1,000 paper cuts, Rick. Here's our long. It's not going to, I don't think it's going far. You got a long on MES right here, 67, 68. First target 71. It's not much. And we got the look I want. On a 5-minute, we traded into the bottom of the channel, which is 57. Come on. Agree with you, Rick. Too many traders utilize the stop as how little can I lose because I know I'm wrong. I mean, here is where we're at. I know I'm wrong, so how little can I lose? Right in the middle of a 5-minute candle, guys. All right, bonds are starting to get a bid back up. If bonds can get up through 6, they're going to 12 or 13. Stop would be 57. 57. Come on, pop this right here, and you're going to get your first target at 71. This is it right here. 71's first target. Come on, dog. Come on. Wow, you rat dog. It's trying. No, bonds failed. It's trying right there. We go. Come on. Come on. There it is. Should go, guys. All right. 71 is there's 71 first target. Got it. Final target, maybe 78, 79. Got a long in gold. If anybody wants gold, it's long right here at 95, 94 half. Stop needs to be 91.6. And first target is going to be 97. That's what's got to break on gold. First target's 97, if anybody's in gold. MES stop can move to 71, which was first target, if anybody's still in it. But for all intent, we got my final target. Guys, good? We got the new 15 range. Just got to pop. Come on. Come on, gold. Get out of this. Small resistance. 97's first target, guys. What an annoying little trade. Final target will be 99. There's 96. It's trying to wind up, fellas. It really is. There's just not many buyers in there. There are buyers, but they're small. Got a short on the MES. Again. Gold just stuck. Guys, coming into the bottom of the hour. Report out of Italy, deaths in the Lombardy region rose 319 in the last 24 hours. Bonds are long, guys. What an annoying trade this gold has really largely been today. Silver's trying to get a bid as well. Stop on MES is 74. And first target is 63. Did we hit it? We hit 62.75. You guys should have first target off. 63 was first target. Next target down is 56.50. I'm more interested in this damn gold. I don't know why gold won't get up its... There goes gold. It's trying, guys. 97's first target. 97. Are you kidding me? It hit 96.8. There it is. First target. Good Lord. That was a 4.5-hour trade. 97 target off. Next target up, 99 if you have a runner. 99. Guys, good? Guys, give me, this is the full NASDAQ here. See what it does. This is a sim trade. This thing wants longs. It's just playing in here. This is not a live trade. Military hospital ships have been deployed to New York. Enacting the Defense Act. I don't know what that is. Bum, 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 bum. Thank you, Eamon. Trump is speaking now.
Order submitted.
Here we go. We're trying to go. Watch the bot on the MES, fellas. 93.50 is your entry. Is he saying anything that's positive? They're working to see if a self-swabbing diagnostic will be effective.
Order filled.
Exciting things happening at the FDA regarding coronavirus. Guys, our other 3-minute is long as well on the NASDAQ. Hasn't gone anywhere. Ho hum. Bonds are coming down again. Gold is quiet. Silver is quiet. Boy, it looks to me like this thing just wants to go. Housing and Development will suspend all foreclosures and evictions through April. We must sacrifice together like they did in World War II. Your support, 70 area. Doesn't look like we're going to bounce anytime soon.
Order canceled.
I would have expected these things to bid. Yeah, we know the Canadian border's closed. Well, I missed a nice short at 80.
Stop fill.
Increasing the number of tests being done by the thousands every day. Okay. Video conference with all the governors and FEMA on Thursday. Well, we were moving up nicely at one point. All right, fellas, I'm going to wrap it up for the day. You're welcome, Marcos. I hope you guys all had a good day. I am done trading. I will not have any more trades. Thank you, Joe. I will have no more trades on my end the rest of the day. I mean, I'm done trading, Todd. Again, I've not had a losing trade since February 13. I am not going to try to make a few more bucks. I've hit basically my daily goal. My net on this with the micros, I should be maybe 4, 20, 30, 40. It's close enough. It's below my daily average, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. The volatility is crazy. Margin requirements are, nuts. Guys, I'll see you later, 6 o'clock. I'll be around. Have a blessed afternoon. I have some one-on-ones to do. If anybody needs me, call me, email me, or Skype me. Thank you.